We're gonna do a quick walk around here, going over this 2020 Mercedes Sprinter camper conversion. There's too much to go over in just one video, so we might do two parts, but everything is included in the gallery down below. The build sheet and also all the details of the build are there. Kind of going over first glance at the exterior. You have the upgraded suspension, wheels, tires. I believe the date codes are 22s. Both sides, or 21s, excuse me. Both sides have electric steps. You got the ladder going up to the roof where you can access the shower curtain that comes down on the top there. You can also access the AC unit and the solar panel that's up there. Coming around back here, you have some ridge lights at the top and some in the rear bumper here. You have full-size spare underneath. Kind of open this up back here. This is where you can access, like I mentioned earlier, the water for the shower. Pop open this, you got your hot water heater. On this side, you have your big battery, and then also I believe that is, if I'm not mistaken, a heater, probably the diesel heater that's tapped into the fuel tank, and the exhaust port is just right there. Go ahead and close this up. You can kind of see how the beds latch down, these rubber guys here. If you remove these, then you can slide it around or remove them entirely. There's many ways to configure this van, which is really neat and allows you to use it for multiple different purposes. You can kind of have a quick glance at the reading lights that are up there. Those just fold straight up if you want them up and out of the way. Got some focal speakers. And then these are really neat. These shades here, if I don't drop it, these shades here are magnetic. And so it's a little bit challenging with one hand, but it works. They just fold down. All the windows have them. They're all custom made for the windows. And they just fold right up, which is kind of neat. Okay, making our way to the passenger side. You have the awning, which also has some ridge lights in there. If we go ahead and open up the door, see the electric step there. There's an awning light switch. Turns those guys on. You got your fridge. You can see more of the tracks. I pulled up all the little rubber covers for them, which are included, so you can cover them all up if you don't want them. There's a bunch of different sizes. Then we can kind of go over and hop in. We can take a look. There's your toilet down here. A bunch of storage compartments. You got your sink up here. More storage compartments. There's all those little extra rubber mats in there. You have your heater, AC unit right there. This is where you check your water level. This is a little controller for that heater. Little light switch there. You also have a touch light for the sink. Kind of looking at the front, you have USB ports and outlets all throughout. There's more ports there. The seats do fully swivel. I believe there's a photo in the gallery demonstrating that, and they are heated and power adjusted. You have the big display here in the front with all the information on the vehicle, navigation, radio, and all that. You can kind of see all the little extra switches there for the lighting that's all around. You can kind of take a look. It's a really nice conversion. Everything was done quite nicely. There's another storage compartment up here and a little USB port for your accessories. Go ahead and step out. Close that. If you have any questions, you can either leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer anything. And good luck with the rest of the auction.